One moment, what I really don't like now on the near protocol chart, it's a liquidation map and the K level, where most likely the one day the market makers can drop the price. It's around 95 cents. Yes, it's hard to imagine why we should drop now to 95 cents, but this is a K level on the monthly time frame for the near protocol with the biggest liquidity under. I added my alert in the recent videos here to $1.02. I hope, guys, we just ignore that liquidity pool and come back maybe later, maybe in the next few years, even, or the months, maybe the summer we get drop to that level. But I just add alert to be ready and take some action. 95 cents, it can be this one, sweep. So it means under this level, a lot of stop losses. So let's visualize like this one. So here, for example, the people open at a trade here and add their stop losses under this level. So under 95 cents this week. So approximately it can be like here, 8%, 9% stop loss in average. So it means with the 10x leverage, that guys from their entry can be liquidated around 11, 10 leverage, 11, 12, so 15. Some people trade with 20x leverage, 50x leverage. So it's going to be the liquidation. And if some people trade with some balance on a cross margin, this can be also the big liquidation. Maybe it will be not enough at margin to cover the losses. So be careful, guys, with your position. And if, for example, you open a trade here, and now you, for example, in the profit, 31%, even with the cycle leverage, it's 60% profit. Just add your stop loss to the break even, like this one. Just add it to break even, so you will lose nothing. And the target where to fix the profit is the break of structure. So it's around 80. So with the cycle leverage, like almost 160, 170% profit can be. So just build a plan, guys, because if Donald Trump says something or do something horrible in the next week, for example, we can see something like this one, like form double bottom, and only after that going higher. But it's so easy to dump the price like 26%, and not in one day, but it's easy to dump. I hope we not drop. I hope we already form at the bottom, guys, and we not return back to this liquidity pool on the weekly time frame. And I would like to double check now with indicator side of what's going on now. Also here, $1.26. It's a kind of big liquidity clusters, right? Where a lot of stop losses is here. This one. So this is the level $1.19. So it's so like it's like honey for the market makers, just to dump, grab liquidity, and after that only go higher. So anyway, this is going to be the next target for the longs. That's why no rush to open longs now, especially on the weekends. For example, if you want to open trade here, I don't know, add stop loss 11%. So with the second leverage 20, it's kind of big one. So better wait the Tuesday. Usually on Tuesday they dump the price. It can be the Asia session Monday. Still okay. After that, the London is okay. And after that, the New York session, that Donald Trump says something and they dump the market. And only in Wednesday, they recover back. That's why, guys, this is a plan. And so let's double check with ADZ direction. What is going on now? It's neutral zone on the 12 time frame. So no sales, no buy. It's around the top on direction, but no signals to sell. It was the accumulation block. So healthy accumulation without divergences, everything good. Just mark the price. If you're already in position, wait this target and add the stop loss to the break even. If you're not in position, just better wait, for example, the Tuesday. This is a direction, no signals to buy or sell. Weekly time frame, of course, we're in global accumulation. That's why I'm waiting the main targets where we need to fix the profit, like it was in December 24, for example, and out of near protocol. I remind you again, my alert here. If alert triggered, maybe I will take an action to open long. Locally for time frame, yesterday, 2 days ago, it was the signal to close position. We dropped a little bit, so now it's like with a low volume, we just consolidated this level. Market smooth, guys, on the 12 time frame. It's euphoria. Yes, it's not a big deal on the price, So for example, if we count even from here, this was like 55% pump from the capitulation to extreme aphasia. That's why be careful, guys. The position on a daily is still okay. Still okay. I guess some type of aphasia will be at the break of structure. So the positive case, guys, if, for example, we go like this one, retest the zero level, retest $1.23 and start build the uptrend structure. So it's going to be the positive moment for the near. Now let's check, guys, the money power. We pumped it because the money inflow was only in January. Now we pump it without any new money inflow. Only was the RSI in February. So all March without an RSI, the variances without nothing, just without any money inflow. Last money inflow was on the 12th time frame, February. So almost like 20 days ago. Now nothing. Just literally nothing. What's what the news? No, just some AMA sessions. It's not that important. And the weekly maybe some money inflow, yes, was here in the beginning of February. So now nothing. 4 hours in frame, some fixation, guys, like you can see here. Fixation, fixation, fixation. So no new money inflow, only money outflow. So be careful, guys, especially now with the late longs. Trade on only the sales. So here was a buy, take profit, sell, 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 sell. 2 hours in frame. Also, guys, a sell. So I'll be not surprised if we even sweep this high, for example, like $1.50, and after that crash it down. So of course I will be more happy with this price action, but we work only with the possibilities and probabilities. Buy, recommendation, close position, actual highs. Guys, be careful now. Just to be honest, for late longs, I better ignore. Just up to you. And the last one is take profit, guys. Here, I don't think so. We're gonna drop to the test 91 cents. It's the buy line, but it's possible. It's possible. So 95, like you remember on the monthly time frame, it's key level for a retest. We still, for the spot position, guys, I'm more than sure $1.35, it's still okay zone for accumulation. We traded $1.2375 in that zone. For the spot, we still under fundamental value. So it's still good time to buy. For a long run on the spot position, not the futures. 12 time frame, guys, I will be not surprised. I repeat again, if, for example, today, Monday, Asia session, we just sweep this high, but it will be not a break of structure. Test the take profit line, and after that, drop to the buy line. Buy line till that time will be like, I don't know, 95, for example, 92, and only after that, form some reversal main move. Take profit line, now it's $1.51, exit line $1.71. Forwards and frame, take profit line $1.69, buy line 85 cents. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about the near. If you'd like to trade and track with my custom reset, what I showed in this video, all data for the near, it's give you a lot of additional data for analysis. Just write me DM. Now I get 30% off for all set. And don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.